So within the years that I've been doing makeup, one of the most common things that I hear from beginners just learning how to do their makeup, or people that want to learn, is that they don't know the order to do the makeup. They don't know when to put on the contour, when to put on the blush, and when to do the highlight and all the things. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the correct order to apply your makeup. Welcome back to the Polished Perfection Beauty channel, where we discuss makeup, beauty, and confidence. My name is Misha. I am a certified makeup artist and a makeup coach. Let's get right into the video. We're going from top to bottom. Step one, brows. Brows are so important because they frame the face and it just makes your makeup look clean. First, you are going to fill your brows in, and then next, you are going to clean your brows up with concealer. If you already have decent, nice brows, or if you go and get your brows waxed, threaded regularly, then some days if you want to wake up, you can skip it. If your brows are not waxed, threaded, they're not clean, bushy, your makeup is not going to look as polished. The second step, color correction. Color correction is when you have any kind of discoloration on the face and you are going to now use a certain color of concealer that is going to cancel out the discoloration so your makeup and your foundation can be even. If you don't have any discoloration on your face, then obviously you don't have to do it, right? But if you do have some discoloration on your face, it's really up to you. Are you just going out to run errands? Do you just want to put on a tinted moisturizer so that you at least look awake? The next step is foundation. The kind of foundation you use is going to be up to you, all right? You could use full coverage foundation, and you can also use a tinted moisturizer, which all of them are going to give you a very even base on your face when you are wearing makeup. If you are like me and you prefer to read this kind of information, refer back to it really quickly, I have created a free PDF guide with an outline of all of these steps. And if that is something that you would like, there is a link down in the comments so that you can download it. Step four, highlight. When I say highlight, I'm talking about highlight with concealer. All right. This is after you put your foundation on, is going to bring back the color and the brightness to your face. All right. And this can also treat discoloration too. So if you have maybe some bags under your eyes, some not too dark circles, all right, or anything like that, it is going to hide that, it's going to cover it, and it's going to make you look more awake. It's going to brighten up your face. So yes, concealer is very important. All right, so step five in the order and how we apply makeup. Next is contour. So before we did our highlight, next you are going to apply your contour. Contouring is just going to help to sculpt the face. It's also going to help soften anything that you don't want to bring attention to on your face. Step after you contour is blush. And the reason that I put this here is because I like to use liquid blush. Now, if you like to use powder blush, that's going to go in another place. All right. But liquid blush is going to be the next step. You are going to apply that. Blush is just brings that youthfulness, brings color to your face. It gives you a really youthful, flushed look. All right. Definitely brings a lot of glam to the look and things like that. So the next step is to set powder. This is setting powder. This is finishing powder. All right. This is extremely important because you need this to lock into place all of the liquid and the cream products that you put on. If you do not apply powder on top of your makeup is going to wear off throughout the day. Powder locks your makeup into place. All right. All right. So next is eyeshadow. After you have done your face, you are going to put on your eyeshadow. Now you can also put on your eyeshadow after you do your brows. Some people do it that way. Some people do their face first, then their eyeshadow. It's really not a big deal. I'm just putting it here because this is most commonly how I do my makeup, but it is definitely a preference. All right. So for the order that I'm explaining to you for how I do my makeup and how I tend to do other people's makeup, your eye is going to come after you have set your makeup, after you have applied your powder. All right. And honestly, we could even get into the order in which you apply eyeshadow and the different things. And if that's something that you're interested in, put it down in the comments and I'll make a big video about it. All right. So you're going to do your eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is just going to make your makeup look amazing. After you have put on your shadow, next is eyeliner. That just brings dimension to your eyes. It gives like an allure to your eyes, just making them look even more better. All right. And next after eyeliner is mascara, all right? Mascara lengthens, it thickens your lashes and makes your eyes just pop so much more. One of the peak beauty standards is having long lashes, and God bless y'all that was blessed with long lashes. I am certainly jealous of you. I probably have like 5 lashes total on both eyes. So I wear false eyelashes, I put on mascara. Mascara barely does anything, but wearing mascara is just going to elevate you. And next is false eyelashes. So after you apply your mascara, if you want to put on false eyelashes, that is going to go on after your mascara. I own a lash brand called Revalashes, and these are lashes that are made specifically for small eyes. And if you have small eyes, go and check them out. There's a link down in the comments. Next, you are going to do your lip. And as a general rule of thumb, you're gonna apply your lip last after you have done everything, all right? That could just be some lip gloss. That could just be some lip oil. That could be tinted lip balm, but you need to have something on your lips. Dry lips are a no-no, and if you don't have anything on your lips, it's just going to mess up the whole look, all right? And lastly, setting spray is just going to lock everything into place. If you don't wear it, your makeup isn't gonna last as long, but if you do wear it, then your makeup will last a little bit longer. So that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.